In the previous video, we learned what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no individual controls the system. Digital, meaning it only exists in computers. Currency, meaning it is a form of money that can be used to buy things. Now, let's talk about how Bitcoin actually works. Remember from the last video, the Bitcoin ledger is basically a public database that records how much Bitcoin each account has. An account is also called a wallet. In addition to account balances, the ledger also includes the blockchain, which is basically the history of all transactions recorded chronologically. When you make a Bitcoin transaction, say you're buying a video game online, that transaction is broadcast publicly to a network of computers around the world. Anyone can join this network. These computers are called nodes, and they all have a copy of the blockchain. Before a transaction is added to the blockchain, it needs to be verified. If I send 1 Bitcoin as a payment to someone else, how do I show that I really authorized this transaction? This is where miners come in. Miners are individuals or groups of people who use powerful computers to make sure that the Bitcoin transaction is really legitimate. You can only send Bitcoin from your account if you have the password. So the miners verify this before the transactions are added to the blockchain. When a miner successfully solves this calculation, they add the verified transaction to a new block on the blockchain. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins. This process is known as mining, and it's what keeps the Bitcoin network secure and functioning. The puzzles, or calculations, that miners need to solve are incredibly difficult and require a lot of computational power. This means that mining Bitcoin requires a significant amount of electricity and computing resources. Now let's talk about wallets. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Each wallet has a unique address, which is like your account number. You can share this address with others to receive Bitcoin, and you use it to sign transactions when you want to send Bitcoin to someone else. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments and banks, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network. This means that no single entity has control over the Bitcoin network. Instead, it's run by a global community of users who participate in the network by running nodes, mining, and using Bitcoin for transactions. Bitcoin also offers a level of anonymity and privacy that traditional payment systems don't. While all Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain and are visible to anyone, the identities of the parties involved in a transaction are not directly tied to their Bitcoin addresses. This has made Bitcoin popular among individuals who value privacy and want to conduct transactions without revealing their identity. In summary, Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology. It's created through a process called mining, where computers solve complex puzzles to verify and secure transactions. Bitcoin offers a level of decentralization, privacy, and security that traditional currencies don't, making it a unique and innovative form of money for the digital age. If this story helped you practice your English and you would like to hear more stories like it in the future, please like this video and subscribe. You can see additional videos by clicking the link here.